is Monica with Nerd News Social, and I'm here to talk to you about the Dottir In-Ear waterproof workout headphones. These things right here were made by Crossfitters with the intention of being used by Crossfitters. And we're gonna open it up right now. Couldn't quite get that one as nicely as the others. Is that all of them? Alright, so that's nice. It's nice. It says, "Thank you. Be inspired through hours and hours of sweat and joy. Enjoy the freedom. Feel completely motivated and focused. Stay ahead of the game." I'm reading it upside down, so sorry about the pauses. It's really nice of them. Alright. Oh, that's such a cool case. Okay, USB-C, beautiful logo, shiny, it's textured on the sides, which I love because I get all these headphones and they're so slippery here and it's impossible for me to open these things up, but this is so easy to open and it's got a great magnetic closure. So you can do the magnetic closure a couple more times. So we got this in this really beautiful white color, right? Let's see what else is, oh shit. Oh my. Yeah, so that even pops up a little bit to give you the extra hinge. So let's see what else is in here. Alright. Alright, that's it for here. I really like the cutout with the logo on it. That's just really well placed. Okay, so looks like we got a bag, the quick guide, a cable, and buffers. Alright, so this bag, very nice mesh. And this looks like it's got a little sweat cloth for you, which is really nice of them to include. And in the quick guide, we've got several languages as per usual. Very, very easy. And it looks like it's just power on and off. Bluetooth pairing for the first use. Take the earphones out of the case to turn them on. Their LEDs will be on for 1 second as the two earphones pair to each other. The left or right earphone LED will then start flashing and the left or right earphone LED will turn off. Depends on which earphone you connect to the mobile devices first. Signaling they are in pairing mode and can be connected to a Bluetooth enabled device. So that's actually really simple. So first time pairing, it looks like it's pretty automatic, which is pretty awesome. So let's take a better look at these things. Once again, I'm a big fan of this right here, this little pop it up and then it hinges just so beautifully so you can sit it and it's a display. Oh, that's so cool. That's such a cool thing to do. Scan the QR code for help and register to get warranty. That's cool. Don't scan mine though. Alright. Very, very neat. I am going to connect these to my phone and see what those sound like. Okay, so with the Dottir, we did get it charged, and then you pull them out, and what they do when you pull them out is they connect to each other first, right? They connect to each other first. So the first time that you pair them, you just open up in your Bluetooth settings and then select them from the list of the Dottir earbuds. Pop them in. So these ones have the little hook here and they have an angled earpiece. So you pop them in here, twist it up, and then put the band over your ear. So that way it has a very secure, nice fit. It has already, there's nothing playing. Already you can cut the decibels by, I want to say, at least 15 decibels from just, there's nothing even playing, just the seal that is in the earbuds, which is fantastic. So these are connected, and then they don't even budge. They don't even budge even a little bit. Shaking my head, jumping up and down. I've tried these out for a little bit, doing various things, walking around, jogging. I wanted to shower in them, but IPX7 isn't, moving water's not necessarily the best thing for it, let alone shampoo. But it would have been really fun to be able to shower in these, to be honest, because I love music while I'm showering. So having these connected and then playing a nice song, and already I can tell you they sound incredible. So they're not the bassiest of bass. They're not going to be like your Bose quality sound, but they're not going to be your Beats quality sound, but they're going to be close to a Bose quality sound. So if you want those really super deep basses, it's not going to quite get you there. It's still fantastic quality regardless. So with your workouts, these are going to be incredible for that. I also really like the raised buttons on the sides for your ups and downs. The ones that are haptic or touch to control, I'm not the best at telling what's what. I tend to forget. That's my ADHD for you. But having the actual raised buttons where you can press once to raise the volume or press twice to go to the next track, that's fantastic for me. That's actually the perfect thing that I need to do, because I always remember where they are and what I need to do when I have physical buttons to touch. That being said, the fact that these don't fall out of my ears, and if you've seen my reviews of other types of headphones, I've mentioned several times, and I will not change my stance on this. I have very strange shaped ears. Nothing fits my ear holes. But these are great. They don't fall out. They don't even budge, honestly. They are probably the most secure headphones I've ever worn in my life. And that paired with the incredible quality audio, I did make a few phone calls with these, and there was no issues whatsoever with the microphone. Absolutely fantastic. I cannot recommend these enough for anybody. On the go, parent, child, workout, etc. It's not gonna do you wrong, like no matter what the setting it is. So with that being said, and as fun as it is to just click them in because they're all magnetic, I know that's not a new feature for most headphones, but that's still fun. With that being said, I love these. I absolutely love these. Definitely highly recommend it. A lot of really cool features. I'll go over them one more time. The fact that this is easy to open for people who have hand issues like me. The fact that it can sit open with a cool little hinge that pops the whole thing up and sits open. It doesn't close on you. Magnetic everything. These don't budge in your ears. The sweat-proof, waterproof nature of it. The sound quality, you cannot go wrong with these things. All right, so those were the Dottir In-Ear noise canceling, waterproof IPX7 headphones made by CrossFitters for CrossFitters. Like, incredibly impressive, and I cannot wait to implement these in my daily life. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and follow for more.